Ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Rangdajied United Football Club kala Pynkhreh bhayalade naga Bynta bani Shim Bynta haga 3rd Division I-League Campaign 2023-2024 kaban salong hagoa. Labay tingkaya kani ka kunhon daga Meghalaya Tourism kaban long nongkershan baratba jong kani ka club. Habay kren bat gilat pathai khobor uba Andrew Suting General Manager jong ka club ulapan pau baka jingkershan baratba jong ka Meghalaya Tourism kani harap shibun naga Bynta ban kentiu yaki kam yelek kai sport. Halor kani ka jingkershan naga liang jong ka Rangdajied United FC kala ai jingkhublay yaw menteri rangba Conrad Sangma bat yaw menteri ketna tourism uba poleng do naga Bynta ka jingkershan bat ka jing aiman sim.
Firstly, I think this day would have been possible if it wasn't for the sheer determination of our players, our coaching staff and our management in us achieving this goal. A year back when we took charge of the club, I think our vision was to obviously go back into the national scene probably in 5 years' time. But I think we felt in the past 1 year things took a drastic turn. I think I felt the way we ran the club, the way our coaching staff took care of our players, I think it is a testament of our achievements. So in the past year, we were runners-up in the Shillong Premier League. We were 3rd in the Reliance Under-21 League. But most importantly, we were champions of the Meghalaya State League, which I think was the pinnacle of our success the following year, or the past year, sorry. And like we said, Ibor and myself have been very passionate about football in Meghalaya, and we've always shared our vision on what we want for our kids here. So in the past 1 year, we've worked towards that, and obviously the success in the MSL gave us an opportunity to represent the state in the 3rd division by virtue being the champions of Meghalaya. So here we are today with regards to our team participating in the inaugural 3rd division I-League run by the All India Football Federation. And if we qualify from the 3rd division, in this current season, 2023-24, we would qualify for the 2nd division of the current season, 23-24. So we look forward to a great performance by our boys, and hopefully we can make it to the 2nd division. And just a past history of what we have done in the past 1 year. So in last October, we started our first football school center at Maulai with close to 80 kids in our first admission batch. And we have close to about 200 kids now, just at the Maulai Center. And we have another center at Mauplang, which we opened in the month of Jan 2023. There we have close to about 150 kids. And we have recently opened up all girls football school center at Pine Mountain, which we have to give appreciation towards the school management, to the teachers for creating a pathway for the girls in their school and for allowing us to be a part of the journey. And the most exciting thing about the Rangdajied Football Club in the coming months, we are looking forward to opening our first sports performance center at Bynta. The vision of having a sports facility, a performance facility in Shillong is very critical in order for us to compete with mainland India, I think a performance center is critical. So the vision that we had, I think, came into fruition in the past 6-7 months. I think the general manager Andrew, Ibor, myself and our previous technical director Hans Imle and our advisor as well, we had a brainstorm session about how do we bring about change and how do we get our players up to the mark and be ready for competitive football once they go out of the state. So we felt the need for a performance center, and this will be the first performance center probably here in the Northeast, and we are hopeful that it will be a performance center not only for football but other sports as well. And in the near future, we are also looking at a football-centric center in Mawab, which will cater to not only our teams, but also hopefully we can get teams from outside the state to come and use our facility. I would like to take this opportunity to thank the Department of Tourism, Meghalaya. I would like to thank Mr. Paul Lingdo, our Chief Minister, Mr. Conrad K. Sangma, and our Director, Mr. Cyril Dingdo. I think I felt that they understood what we wanted and what we wanted to do with regards to sports in the state, and we would like to thank them for accepting our proposal with regards to Meghalaya Tourism being our main sponsor. As you can see in the backdrop here, Meghalaya Tourism is all over the backdrop, and Meghalaya Tourism are the main sponsors for Rangdajied United FC in the season 2023-2024. And as you can see, we've also in the past 3-4 months had talks with Puma, which is an international clothing brand which represents sports all over the world and innovation as well. So you can see that Puma has come on board on the same mindset that they also believe in the vision that we have for this club. So we are proud to announce that Puma is our official kit partner for the season 2023-24. And we would also like to announce that BT27 Training Revolution is our fitness partner. Without fitness, without a proper training, I think it is, like I said, we wanted to have the performance center is for that reason. So we were proud to announce that BT27 Training Revolution is our fitness partner. And lastly, I would like to announce that obviously football without the fans, football without coverage is nothing. So we would like to announce that T7 is our media partner, and I'm sure that people would want to know more about a team when they travel to Goa and when they play the matches. I think it's important of being updated. So I would like to thank T7 for coming on board and being our media partner.